Good morning, students. In the last class, we have successfully completed chapter 4, that is quadratic equation, and I want to recall some of the basic keywords from the chapter, like what is quadratic equation? An equation which can be expressed in the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. And we can find out the solution of quadratic equation by the following methods. Number 1, factorization. Number 2, completing the square. And number 3, quadratic formula. And the solution of quadratic equations are called roots of the equations. And nature of the roots also we learn. Nature of the roots is depend on the discriminant, and discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. There are three conditions. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then it has two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then it has two equal real roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, it has no real roots. I hope all of you understood this concept. Today I am going to start a very interesting chapter. In generally, as my experience, that in class 10 students are waiting for this chapter only, because this is a new concept for students in class 10, that is trigonometry. Trigonometry means what? We have to know about the word first. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationship between the sides and angles of a triangles. Means in trigonometry we learn the relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. The word trigonometry is a Latin word. Actually it is a 16th century Latin derivative from the Greek words for triangle. So I mean to say the word trigonometry is 16th century Latin derivative from the Greek word for triangle. Here trigonometry tree means tree, gono means science, and metry means metry is coming from metron, it means measure. Okay, so you will have one more chapter after this chapter, chapter 9, application of trigonometry, and there you will see the uses of trigonometry day-to-day life. Okay, I hope all of you understood this concept. From there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, and trigonometry is used especially in right angle triangle. Suppose here you can see, let us consider a triangle ABC. Angle B is what? 90. Okay, angle B is 90 and A and C are what? Equal angles. Suppose the measure of the angle is theta. Theta means the measure of the angle. So theta is a what? It is symbol, and it is a what? Theta is a equiangle. Then we understood that the opposite sides of 90 degree here means on opposite of 90 degree is what? Sorry, opposite of 90 degree is AC. AC is called hypotenuse. Here BC and AB are either base or perpendicular. Here you can see there are 6 ratios. Sine, SINE, the abbreviation used for sine is sine, SIN. Then cosine is cos, tangent we will get tan, cosecant is cosec, secant is sec, and cotangent is cot. Here you can see that sine, the reciprocal of sine is cosecant, means reciprocal of sine is cosec, reciprocal of cos is sec, means they are reciprocal to each other. Tan, cot or cot, tan, they are reciprocal to each other. In general, we will write this shortcut. When we will solve problems or when we will use trigonometric ratios, we will write this one. No need to write this full name. Okay, this is the abbreviation you will write. Here, first of all, what is the relation of these trigonometric ratios to these angles or to this triangle? See, suppose I am going to take, or I am going to use the trigonometric ratio for this angle C. Suppose we can write like that: sine theta. Sine theta means sine and theta is not product of sine and theta. It is not a product. It is sine of angle theta. You are going to find out the sine of angle theta. Then the ratio is like that: opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse. Sine of angle theta is sine of any angle you can get. In the case of right angle triangle, opposite of this angle, opposite side of this angle by hypotenuse means, or in shortcut you can select that which angle you are going to find out for the trigonometric ratio. The side including this angle, not hypotenuse, another side, it is you have to take as a base, and opposite of this is perpendicular. Then you can write opposite sides by hypotenuse. That means what? Opposite side, already I told you, this one you have to treat as a base, BC as base, then AB will be hypotenuse, so it is P by H. Similarly, so before that I want to say that about cosec. Already I told you the reciprocal of sine is cosec. Then if sine theta will get opposite side by hypotenuse, then cosec will be hypotenuse by opposite side. That means if it is P by H, it will be H by P. Understood? Now next, cos. Cos of angle theta is side including this angle, not other than the hypotenuse, this one. Then B and by hypotenuse. That is why it is B by H. Then reciprocal of cos is sec. So sec of angle theta is H by B. Now tan of angle theta is P by B, and cot of angle theta is cot is reciprocal of tan, so B by P. Understood? These are the 6 ratios. Don't forget the reciprocal. Sin theta reciprocal is cosec theta reciprocal is sin theta. Understood? So if you take out the trigonometric ratios for angle A, then this will become a base. AB will become a base, and this will become perpendicular. But we are taking here this angle C as the C. For angle C, we are taking out the trigonometric ratios. So I hope all of you understood these ratios. Okay. Next. So this ratio you can remember by using a simple sentence, or you will get different. This is not a part of mathematics. This is a sentence, a trick, how to remember these ratios. Like some people have curly brown hair, then turns pure black. Curly brown hair, then turns pure black. Here some people have you can take the first letter, what? Sin. People have then P by H. Correct? Then curly brown hair. Curly you can take the first word as C, cos, brown hair, B by H. Then turns means from these two words anyone you can take the first letter of this. Suppose I am taking this one, T, turn pure black. Then P by this first letter, P by B. So take P by B. Then other ratios are you can find out easily by using reciprocal sign. Reciprocal is what? Cosec H by P. Then sec, it is B by H, then it will be H by B, then cot B by P. So I hope all of you understood. This is a concept of trigonometric ratios. So here I want to start exercise 8.1. Here in question number 1, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24, BC is equal to 7 cm. Determine sin A cos A and sin C cos C. So ABC right angle triangle at B. So this one is ABC right angle triangle at B. Then AB is 24. This is 24 and BC is 7. BC is 7. Maybe you are looking this one 25. Actually this one I have written after solve this problem. This side is not given. You will understand after some time. So in here AB and BC is given already, and you have to find this one. So already understood. To using trigonometric ratio, you need the sides of all the sides of the right angle triangle. Here AB and BC you've got, but AC is missing. So you can find out AC by using Pythagoras theorem. So using PT, you will get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square, AB is 24 square, BC is 7 square. So AC square 24 square is 576, 7 square is 49. 576 plus 49, 625. The square root of 625 is 25. That is why I have wrote already AC is 25. Now we have got all the three sides. Now you can find out this one. Sin A. First of all, what? Sine A. Sine A means you have to find out sine for this angle, sine of angle A. Sine of angle A, already I told you which angle you are going to find out, this one, then this will be the base. And what is the formula of sine? Means ratio of sine P by H. If this will be the base, then opposite of angle A is what? BC. It's a perpendicular. Then BC by hypotenuse means P by H. P by H, then BC by AC. That is why I've written BC by AC. What is the value of BC? 7. What is the value of AC? 25. Similarly, cos A, cos of angle A, what is the formula? B by H. Then what is B? This one you have to become base or not. This one is base AB by hypotenuse means B by H. So AB by AC. Clear? Then the value of AB is 24 and value of AC is 25. So like this we can get sin A and cos A. Okay? So next one, sin C cos C. Now see, same thing you need to find out for different angle, means now this angle. For this angle, sine including this angle is what? This one? Base. This one? This one you have to create now base, and this one will be the perpendicular. For sine what? P by H. Then sin C, sine of angle C, P by H means AB by AC. AB by AC, 24 by 25. Similarly, sin C this one, AB by AC, 24 by 25. After putting the value. Then similarly for cos C, BC by AC, 7 by 20. So like this you can use trigonometric ratios. I hope all of you understood. So I don't want to give you 2 or 3 sums, because first of all I want to see that all of you understood or not. That is why question number 1 I have completed today. So next in the next class I'll try to complete this exercise. Okay, so please do your homeworks. I'll give you now. So this is question number 2. This is your homework. Okay, please try to solve by yourself without taking any extra help. Extra help means please don't see in the internet or any guidebook. Okay, try to solve yourself. Okay, in case any doubt or confusion you can ask me in the evening. Thank you. God bless you.